Have you ever wondered how some teenagers are making more money sitting in their bedrooms than some people do working a 9-to-5 job? Stay tuned to unlock the secrets. In today's digital era, teenagers are finding innovative ways to make money online. And no, we are not just talking about gaming or social media. Curious to know more? Keep watching. The power of social media. First up, social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are not just for sharing photos and videos. Savvy teens are turning them into money-making machines. With the rise of influencer marketing, youngsters are finding creative ways to promote brands and their products, earning substantial income in the process. It's not just about posting random content. It's about crafting a professional, personable, and on-brand image that attracts brands looking for promotion. These young influencers often start by building a substantial following, focusing on a specific niche that reflects their interests and expertise. They engage their audience with consistent, high-quality content, and soon enough, brands start noticing. But here's the catch. It requires dedication, consistency, and a keen understanding of one's audience. It's not just about the number of followers. It's about the engagement and trust one builds with their audience. As these young influencers navigate the complex world of social media monetization, they also learn valuable lessons in branding, marketing, and business ethics. So the question remains, are you ready to turn your social media presence into a lucrative venture? Freelancing. Freedom. Next, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are becoming playgrounds for young entrepreneurs. Here, they offer a plethora of services, from graphic design and writing to web development and digital marketing. But it's not just about listing your services. It's about standing out in a crowded marketplace. The skills in high demand include social media marketing, content writing, and graphic design, among others. To start, you need to create a compelling profile that showcases your skills and experience. Include a portfolio of your work and set competitive prices for your services. It's crucial to start small, take on projects that you can handle, and gradually build your reputation. Remember, client reviews play a significant role in building your credibility on these platforms. As you deliver quality work and earn positive reviews, you'll start climbing the ranks, and more clients will come your way. It's a journey of growth, learning, and perseverance. So, are you ready to harness the power of freelancing and take control of your career? E-commerce explorations. The e-commerce landscape has significantly evolved, and teens are at the forefront of this revolution, diving into the world of online selling. They're leveraging platforms like Etsy, eBay, and even Instagram to sell a wide array of products, ranging from handmade crafts and vintage clothing to digital art and self-published books. But it's not just about listing products. These young entrepreneurs are learning the ropes of business management. They're embracing digital marketing strategies to promote their stores, optimizing product listings for better visibility, and providing top-notch customer service to build trust and retain customers. With the help of various e-commerce tools and platforms, they're able to manage inventory, track sales, and analyze data to make informed decisions. It's a learning curve, but these teens are resilient, resourceful, and ready to tackle the challenges of the digital marketplace. Online tutoring and courses. The digital era has transformed education, and teenagers are cashing in on the trend by offering online tutoring and courses. Subjects like mathematics and science are particularly in demand, as these are areas where students often seek extra help. Platforms like Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors provide a space for teen tutors to connect with students in need of academic assistance. To start your own tutoring service, begin by identifying your area of expertise and target audience. Create engaging and informative content and promote your services through social media and educational forums. Remember, consistency is key, and building a reputation for reliability and effectiveness will go a long way in establishing a successful online tutoring service. Content creation and YouTube. YouTube has emerged as a lucrative platform for content creators, and teens are making the most of this opportunity. They're creating engaging content in various niches, from gaming and tech reviews to fashion and DIY crafts. Monetizing their channels through advertising revenue and sponsorships has become a viable income source. To maximize earnings, it's crucial to focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Engaging and original content tends to attract more viewers, which in turn boosts ad revenue and attracts potential sponsors. Understanding YouTube's algorithm and optimizing your videos for search can also play a significant role in your channel's success. Consistency is key, and building a loyal audience will open up more avenues for monetization. Affiliate marketing adventures. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity for teens to earn money by promoting products and earning commissions on sales. The first step is to find reputable companies that offer affiliate programs. Platforms like Amazon's affiliate program are a good starting point. Once you've partnered with a company, select products that align with your audience's interests and start promoting them through your blog, social media, or website. It's crucial to maintain transparency and disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Focus on promoting products that you genuinely believe in, as this will help build trust with your audience. As you gain experience, you can explore different affiliate programs and diversify the products you promote to maximize your earnings. Investing in cryptocurrency. Let's delve deeper into making your money work for you through investing in cryptocurrency. Many teens are now exploring these financial avenues, drawn by stories of significant gains. However, it's crucial to understand that this is a high-risk arena. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, and prices can skyrocket, but they can also plummet. It's vital to only invest money that you can afford to lose. Before jumping in, do your homework. Learn about different cryptocurrencies, understand market trends, and get familiar with trading platforms. Ensure you're aware of the legal aspects and tax implications of your investments. Start small and consider seeking advice from trusted adults or financial advisors. Remember, while the potential for high returns is tempting, the risk of loss is substantial. Be prepared for ups and downs and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market hype. Mobile apps and games. Turning to mobile apps and games, your smartphone can be a source of income. Numerous apps reward you for playing games, taking surveys, or completing tasks. However, it's vital to discern which apps are legitimate and which might be scams. Apps like Swagbucks, Misplay, and Inbox Dollars have established reputations for paying users for their time. However, the earnings are often modest, and it's important to set realistic expectations. Engaging with these apps can be a fun way to earn a little extra pocket money, but it's unlikely to replace a part-time job. Be mindful of the time you spend on these apps and ensure it doesn't interfere with your studies or other responsibilities. Always check reviews and do your research before downloading any app, and be wary of any that ask for unnecessary personal information or payment to sign up. Creativity and selling art. For those with a creative flair, selling art online can be a rewarding venture. Platforms like Etsy provide a global marketplace for artists to sell their work. To start, create a seller account, set up your shop, and list your items. Ensure your art is well photographed and your listings include detailed descriptions. Be mindful of your pricing strategy and consider offering a range of price points. Think about how you can stand out from the crowd. Utilize tags and keywords to enhance your visibility in search results. Building a strong online presence and reputation will take time, so be patient and consistent. Engage with your customers and gather feedback to improve your offerings. Remember, the most successful sellers are those who create art that resonates with people and effectively market their shops. Building a personal brand. Building a personal brand is becoming increasingly popular, especially among teens. Whether you aim to be an influencer, a brand ambassador, or establish your own business, creating a strong, authentic brand is crucial. Start by identifying your niche and understanding your audience. What unique perspective or skills can you offer? Be consistent in your messaging and aesthetic across various platforms. Engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Utilize social media to showcase your personality and values. Remember, building a brand takes time, and authenticity is key. Don't be swayed by short-term trends. Focus on what truly represents you and your brand. Network with other influencers and brands in your niche, and be open to collaborations. Most importantly, be patient and stay committed to your vision. Your personal brand is an investment in your future, so nurture it carefully. Wow, what a journey! We've covered a lot today, and the world is truly your oyster. But the journey doesn't end here. Check out our other video, How to Make Money Using ChatGPT, to continue your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time.